Hi! In front of me is REALME Narzo 50 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Firstly, go into Settings. Now choose Bluetooth section here and click on this switcher to activate it. After that, wait for available devices to show up, and when they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. In my case, this ASUS. Then wait for the pop-up. When it shows, you need to select pair and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you want to disconnect them, you can do that by choosing this little icon next to chosen device, tapping on unpair, and now they are disconnected. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!